And do you believe in astrology? क्या आप लोग भी मॉर्निंग में पढ़ते हैं अपना हॉरोस्कोप?
वो पहले पहले बहुत पढ़ते थे, फिर बाद में पता चला कि वो परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन होता है, आज इसका ये लिखा है, अच्छा कल यहाँ पे इसको लिखना है। ऑफ कोर्स वी आर इन अ प्रोफेशन विच इज़ हाईली इनसिक्योर, राइट? कि आज आपके पास काम है, कल होगा नहीं होगा आपको पता नहीं। अब फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है तो क्या होगा उसका भविष्य आपको पता नहीं। सो यू जस्ट वॉन्ट समवन टू टेल यू कि डोंट वरी, ओके हो जाएगा, आपकी ये फिल्म चलने वाली है। यू वांट समवन, एंड फिर वो जो एस्ट्रोलॉजर आपको ये बताएगा आपके लिए वो बेस्ट।
और जो ऑपोजिट कहेगा आई एम लाइक ये तो बकवास है,
ये कुछ भी बोल रहा है ये बिकॉज अब लाइक वी वर जस्ट टेलिंग कि मैं ऐसे एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास अगर कोई आ गया सपोज और किसी ने बताया कि ये हाथ देखते हैं, तो मैं उनको पहले बताऊँ, देखो यार कुछ बुरा मत बताना, ओके अच्छा जो है ना वो आप बता दीजिए।
Hi, I'm Soham Shah.
Hi, I'm Aksha Pardesani.
Hi, this is Madhu here.
Hi, this is Shreyas Tarpade and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
Hi guys, I'm Kareena Mitchwal and we have here with us the amazing team of upcoming psychological thriller Kartam Bhuktam. Hello, welcome to Bollywood Hangama.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So Shreyas, I'd like to start with you. I know बहुत से journalists आपसे पहला सवाल यही कर रहे होंगे, but that is because you're such a loved actor and you have so many fans and well-wishers. Please tell us about your health. How's your health now?
A little better now, thank you so much. I'm recovering, but I'm just happy that the film is releasing because it is things like these and moments like these that just help you recover faster. So nothing better than a film releasing for any actor. So yes, the more happy I am, the more better I'll be.
And has the way you approach your life and work changed post the incident?
Pretty much, yes. I mean, of course, your priorities change. It's kind of a wake-up call for you, I mean, this kind of incident which is completely unexpected and shocking for yourself as well. So yes, you tend to maybe just look at your life in a different manner, give more importance to your health, your family, and obviously work, but work was at number 1 earlier, now it's at number 3. So yeah, and I guess I'm just taking one day at a time, not thinking too much. I'm happy with the kind of work that is happening right now. I'm happy with the fact that my films are releasing, they're due for release, people are looking forward to it. So yeah, I mean, what better can I ask for, right?
Great. We wish you the best of health as always. Okay. So talking about the film Kartam Bhuktam, teaser dekha. It looks very interesting, very intriguing. So please tell us a little more about it and how was the story born?
It's a psychological thriller where it's Shreyas's character, he kind of comes to India just for like 10 days and events happen in such a way that he just cannot go back for a longer period of time. And accidentally he's come across an astrologer who mentions that he won't be able to go back. And then what chain of events happen where Shreyas is like, attracted and lured towards meeting him again, and then the thriller kind of, proceeds from there.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the tagline of the film is what goes around comes around. So how much do you believe in this idea?
I completely believe what goes around. That's why I believe in destiny. So what you sow you reap, and all those things it's true, and I completely believe in this whole philosophy and destiny. Basically I do believe in the basic sublikhit hai.
Okay, कुछ ऐसा particular incident where you thought this was us just time to do it?
Everything actually. My being here today, like firstly being in the career that I wanted to be in, desire to be an actor, then second time around wanting to come with no real assistance, no help, but just finding myself in the right place all the time at the right time again. So I do believe that things happen as they are meant to happen, and I'm very sincere, I'm very dedicated, I love my work. So when it comes around, I just grasp it, hold it, hug it and give my best. But I don't go after, I don't chase, I don't plan. But जब आ जाता है तो मैं अपना पूरी तरह से मेहनत करके, sincerely with lot of love, I appreciate what comes my way.
Great, Shreyas.
So yeah, I mean, of course, I also believe in it, and whatever incidents have happened in my life further just reconfirm and reaffirm the fact that your whatever karma you do, it is counted somewhere. Someone is keeping a track of all those things that you're doing. And the story Kartam Bhuktam is also about this, not exactly a non-believer, but non-believer in, let's say, astrology, who eventually is led into such a thing, whatever things and events keep happening, and he finds himself to be a believer, you know, because he's in such a vulnerable state of mind that he goes to an astrologer. And then what happens post that, you know, like Soham just mentioned that 10 दिन के लिए आया है, बट कई महीने हो जाते हैं और वो जा नहीं पाता. तो ऐसा क्या होता है उसके साथ कि वो नहीं जा पाता, यू नो, क्यों यहाँ पे, और क्यों एस्ट्रोलॉजर उसको आते ही बोल देता है कि यू नो आप नहीं जा पाओगे, काम नहीं हो पाएगा आपका, जो लिखा हुआ है वो आप बदल नहीं सकते. हाउ ट्रू इज़ दैट इज़ वॉट वी आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लोर थ्रू दिस फिल्म.
एंड डू यू बिलीव इन एस्ट्रोलॉजी? क्या आप लोग भी सुबह मॉर्निंग में पढ़ते हैं अपना हॉरोस्कोप?
वो पहले बहुत पढ़ते थे, फिर बाद में पता चला कि वो परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन होता है, यू नो, आज इसका ये लिखा है, अच्छा कल यहाँ पे इसको लिखना है. मतलब कई बार ऐसा होता है, बट यू नो ऑफ कोर्स वी आर इन अ प्रोफेशन विच इज़ हाईली इनसिक्योर, राइट, कि आज आपके पास काम है, कल होगा नहीं होगा आपको पता नहीं. अब फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है तो क्या होगा उसका भविष्य आपको पता नहीं. सो यू जस्ट वॉन्ट समवन टू टेल यू कि डोंट वरी, ओके हो जाएगा, आपकी ये फिल्म चलने वाली है. यू वांट समवन, एंड फिर वो जो एस्ट्रोलॉजर आपको ये बताएगा आपके लिए वो बेस्ट.
और जो ऑपोजिट कहेगा, आई एम लाइक ये तो बकवास है,
ये कुछ भी बोल रहा है ये. सो आई थिंक इट इज़ दैट स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. उस स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में आप कहाँ जाते हो, क्या करते हो, कौन आपको क्या बताता है, उस पर आप कितना विश्वास रखते हो, इज़ वॉट दिस फिल्म इज़ ऑल अबाउट. एंड आई थिंक इट इज़ वॉट इज़ ट्रू विथ अस ऑल्सो, यू नो, बिकॉज लाइक वी वर जस्ट टेलिंग कि मैं ऐसे एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास अगर कोई आ गया सपोज और किसी ने बताया कि ये हाथ देखते हैं, तो मैं उनको पहले बताऊँ, देखो यार कुछ बुरा मत बताना, ओके, अच्छा जो है ना वो आप बता दीजिए. सो ये चीज़ें होती रहती है. और हमारे काम में तो क्रिकेट देखते वक्त भी हम वो करते रहते हैं ना कि अब मैं हिला नहीं हूँ, वो विकेट जा रही है तो मैं ऐसे ही रहूँगा. सो देयर इज़ सुपरस्टिशन, बिलीफ, फेथ, एवरीथिंग मिक्सड इनटू वन इज़ व्हाट मेक्स अस ह्यूमंस.
What about you? Do you believe?
I truly believe in the power of good deeds, and I believe that it should be a constant without wanting something in return. I know there are lots of people जो you know normally सब कुछ कर लेंगे, but you know उनको कुछ चाहिए तो बोलेंगे नहीं भगवान मैं ये छोड़ दूंगा, भगवान मैं नारियल फोड़ूंगा, भैया मैं ये करूँ. So I don't believe in temporary you know
Transaction.
Yeah, it's a transaction, right? So I believe in the power of good deeds and leaving the rest. For me, that's how I've followed my life forever. I volunteer a lot with animals. So for me, that is not something I do with a purpose of me getting good in my life. But I do believe that if there is something good happening, it's probably because I've done something good.
See, astrology I think is a very powerful medium, okay, and the people maybe who know astrology, so they can either get very, you know, they might feel the superpower to use it in a particular way because they have that knowledge to predict things. Whether those predictions are coming right or wrong, that's a different thing. So this entire world of Kartam Bhuktam revolves around these experiences that there are good astrologers, but it's a very thin line to believe and surrender to that. So one thing is like, you know, touch and go, कि एक आध बार आपने कुछ सुन लिया, कर लिया, सोच लिया, you follow it. But then it becomes an addiction or a habit. Then what can happen to you? That is also the journey of Shreyas's character in the film.
Okay. Was this film and this role a conscious effort? ये role या ये film pick करना? Because to a larger extent, जो हिंदी mainstream audience है, वो आपको associate करती है सिर्फ comic roles में. Of course, we've seen you in Iqbal and Praveen Tambe. Those are some really iconic characters. So was it a conscious effort to pick a role like this and a film like this?
Yes, definitely, because like you just mentioned, ki, you know, there was a time when people didn't know if I would be able to do comedy, filmmakers especially, and they doubted. After films like Iqbal and Dor, so they said कि पता नहीं ये comedy कर पाएगा नहीं कर पाएगा, लोग इसको accept करेंगे नहीं करेंगे. So that time my challenge was to prove myself in comedy. Now the challenge is the reverse one, right? Ki I need to prove myself back in these kind of serious roles which I started with in the first place. So when Soham approached with this particular concept, one, I loved the concept. It is extremely original. Okay, कि usually ऐसे होता है ना कि वो पिक्चर देखिए, उसमें से थोड़ा लिया है, वो देखिए उसमें से ये लिया है, वैसा कुछ नहीं है. ये इसकी कहानी है, पूरी पूरी ओरिजिनल कहानी इसने लिखी है. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट आई लव्ड अबाउट इट कि यार, एंड द कैरेक्टर, द होल यू नो उसकी वल्नरेबिलिटी हो, वो आता है बेचारा, क्या क्या उसके साथ होता है और फिर वो क्या क्या करता है. सो वो सारी चीज़ें आपको अच्छी लगी. एंड प्लस द आई गेस द मेन डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर वॉज सोहम एज द डायरेक्टर, because you've seen his earlier work, you know how good he is at his storytelling craft. So of course you want to work with someone like that, and you know that when it is someone like Soham directing, इस कहानी को पेपर से स्क्रीन पे लाने में कितना वैल्यू एडिशन होगा, you are aware of that, and then you want to be associated with that team, that person, and yes, so that's the reason I said yes to it and wanted to do this particular part.
So now all of you have been in this industry for a very long time. You've been part of such iconic projects. So tell us, what has been your mantra of sustaining for so long and still staying relevant?
See, it's simple. If you want to score a century, you need to be on pitch. You cannot lose your wicket. You know, there are going to be certain balls which are going to be dot balls, but then you will get certain balls which you can hit for a 4 and a 6. You just have to wait for those balls, right? So just be there, you know, just keep your focus intact and keep doing your job, because obviously what goes up will come down and what comes down will go up as well. You know, you just need to wait for the time.
I believe that. I believe I'm an actor. Whether I'm acting or not, I always see myself as an actor. So what happens is, whatever I need to do to keep myself ready, that's what I always believe, that keep myself ready to be an actor at any time. So there are certain things that I do and I don't do. Looking after my health, looking after my mental health, you know, looking after how I appear. All that is my focus, keeping in touch with my dancing, keeping in touch. I see movies, I see if I can act like that actor. I speak a lot of things, repeat dialogues, do my things. I believe that I'm keeping myself updated, learning, unlearning, and I think like an actor even when I'm not acting. So when I get an opportunity, when I'm picked, when I get that chance, I am ready. I don't ever go, that's my practice, that's my belief in life, that I don't ever fall off the wagon. कि आज इतनी पार्टी कर ली कि, you know, I didn't do these things, or I don't work out, or I just let myself go. I'm not somebody who lets myself go. I'm always acting in my world. I'm always an actor, and I keep myself ready. So when people like Soham come at my door after so many years, I am ready to do that role that he got me, that shades that he wants of me. I am ready to do. So that being ready as an actor is my dedication to my profession.
And it doesn't look like, but it's been over 3 decades for
Yeah.
you in the industry.
Yeah. From 1991. Yeah.
So tell us, what are the major changes that you noticed in actors back then, actors, or you know, people on set? Maybe let's put it that way.
People and acting are the same, my dear. You know, human beings are the same. Everything is the same. What changes is me, what I was as an actor, as a human being, as an experience. Then I left the industry. I went away. I'm a little different from many of my friends and colleagues who are always in touch. I'm not somebody like that. So I went away. I had completely different experiences. And then I've come back. It seems like a new world, but then the more I interact with this new world, it is not a new world. The story, the everything, maybe the technology has changed, social media has come, so the way we talk about it, the way we promote, हमारे उस time पे कहाँ promotions होते थे? I never even knew when the movie had released. You know, 1 or 2 movies, or few of my movies had a premiere, but I never did this ever. So film hit होती थी, theatre में पता चलता था बहुत weeks के बाद कि ये picture hit हुई है. So those were the, you know, those changes. But I don't. So people, story, everything is the same. What I have changed, and to bring my changes with my experience, keeping the newness, learning and unlearning, keeping myself relevant today is my journey. Everybody else helps me. Sometimes I'm working with my very senior person. I did a film called Shakuntalam with Gunashekhar ji, very experienced director. When I walked into a set, I felt like I was walking into Balchandar sir's set in the 90s. Then I worked with somebody who was so new, you know, in his 20s. I'm double, triple, 4 times his age. but I learnt a lot from him as well. So keeping myself open to the experience and to the newness is my my learning.
Amazing. So Shreyas, since आपने 2 बार क्रिकेट का जिक्र कर दिया है, of course we know how big a fan you are of cricket. So we have to talk about Iqbal. So tell us, how special is that film to you? 20 years old.
Very, very special. I mean, it is because of that film that I'm here today, you know, no two ways about it. And Iqbal will always remain very special because, again, the whole audition process, the whole selection process, the shooting, the promotions, the success and everything is still pretty much intact in my memory. Also the fact that, you know, I got married and the next day I went for Iqbal's shoot to Hyderabad. So, and then 3 months I was there. So yeah, everything was, and post that the whole success being attributed to my wife. मेहनत मैंने की और सारा सक्सेस वो लेके गई इसके वजह से, तो मैंने कहा हाँ भाई अच्छा है ये. But no, but good times, you know. So I cannot forget Iqbal, and Iqbal even today remains as fresh as it was. So I think it's just good karma maybe that I got an opportunity to be in a film like Iqbal, which at one point I had said no to.
Okay.
Because there was another commitment which was clashing, and I had committed to that friend earlier. So, and Nagesh said, no, I want these dates. But I said, unfortunately, those 3 days with some other guy, they were with Nishikant Kamath. He's no longer there. But Nishikant Kamath and we were doing one television show, and he had those dates. And he said, I need you. Because he had, you know, he had mortgaged his place and all, and he was making that TV show. So I couldn't just ditch him like that. But luckily things worked out and I could do both. So yes, very
How
fond.
many times Shreyas talks about luck, no?
Yeah.
Perfect for our movie.
yeah.
It's all Karta and the luck director.
now.
And he talked about Lady Luck getting married and Iqbal happened. So we also have somebody who's just brought in that energy. So, you know, it's all, we're talking about a lot of luck.